Sony Computer Entertainment presents a video game by Quantic Dream. So remember how I said The Walking Dead is like heavy rain with zombies? Well, I never actually played Heavy Rain, so there I am doing so now. Nice orchestral music and 24 style frames. Great, try in bed. This game was really famous for its amazing graphics and great story, I think, or gameplay. To interact, make the indicator move with the right stick. Okay, that's just me getting out of bed. This is how I feel every morning. I don't want to get up. Try to slowly to see how to control your animation speed. Oh, I get it. I failed to get up. Oh, it's normal anyway. Use the right stick to walk. Wait, what does that say? Oh, Alt R2 to walk. Well, this is a weird walking system. Let's open the door. Let's check out our garden. Nice. God, I have a nice house. Here. I can't go there. There's a nice tent in there though. It's a good camp. Here are my clothes. Okay, apparently he doesn't feel like getting dressed today. Anytime, you can listening to what your character thinks by holding down L2.
I better take a shower and get dressed before I go downstairs.
He's just thinking about having a shower then. What's this? Wedding picture, hooray. Well, so far I'm surprisingly enjoying this. Oh yeah, I keep forgetting the controls already. What's this? A note left by my wife.
Shopping. I'll pick the kids up from school at lunchtime, and then I'll come home to get things ready for Jason's birthday party.
Oh, it's my son's birthday. Okay, cool. Door and get up. The bird. Oh, we have a cage. We have a bird in a cage. Hello. You're very cute. Oh, we better get to that shower. Okay. I don't know. Usually I like to brush my teeth before I go. Before I have a shower. So let's do that. Where's the controller? I'm playing the Move edition, but thank God it has the option of just using the controller, the normal controller. Still need to move it around. I like that. It reminds me of Jatora a bit. Cool. Oh, you have a very shallow sink. I do. It says, oh, shave. Okay. Oops, slowly. Yeah, this is definitely how I shave every morning. I feel like I'm doing it a bit too slow. Like, I know I'm supposed to do it gently, but I don't want to cut myself. Is this how slow you shave? Come on, I get it done in like 5 minutes. I mean, I know it probably took longer than that in the actual game here, but still. Let's have that shower. Walk to the shower. Okay. Oh God, please have those be censored. This is awkward. Why do we have a shower scene with a guy? Oh my god! Lovely. I know enough about Heavy Rain to know this guy's name. I think this is the main character. Ethan, I think. His name is kind of easy to remember because his last name is Mars. Imagine if this being seen in the movie. Like, it would be so unnecessary. At least I have my shorts back on. Press L1 to switch camera angles. I don't think I really need to. What's in here? This is toilet. I don't really need to go right now. Most times in the morning I usually do need to be out, and I just want to walk back into my... Oh, I need to get dressed. That's what I need to do. Come on. There. Okay, let's... Oh, I don't get to decide what I wear. Alright, let's put these jeans on. Sounds like jeans. I can hear a belt. Oh, well, I got dressed quickly. Nice. All formal. Well, actually very summery. It looks like I'm going to go golfing. I even put on my shoes. Great. When I walk around my house, I never put on shoes unless I'm going outside. Go downstairs. The character's thoughts change the situation. Remember to check them regularly. Let's see what's here. Work.
I've got some time before Grace and the kids get back. Better get some work done.
God, this is some sweet house. Okay, where's my workplace? This just seems to be like a living room and stuff. Oh, well, I found my workroom, it seems. It's a bunch of blueprints. Am I an architect or a mechanic or something? I'm about to draw something. Is that really what you call working? I guess I am an architect then. Well, let's get to drawing. Let's see if it's better than me in real life. Oh crap, I accidentally stood up. No, I would like to work, please. Okay, let's see how good this guy is at drawing. I like to see what music playing as I do this. Ah, okay. For actions requiring timing and position, press the indicate button as soon as it appears. Oh, okay. Sure thing. Okay, let's see how good this guy is. Let's see how good I am in drawing in a video game. Lovely. I'm assuming that since my friend realized I had a new game, he thought I might as well send a weird message like that. I doubt he does. He's only about like 17. Okay, so carefully. Do I not have like a? Oh, there's my ruler. Okay. Oh yeah, I have to like hold it. Oh, this is gonna be complicated. I assume it's gonna be really hard further in the game. Okay, and there. Wow, this is really good drawing so far. No, I would like to continue, please. Okay, mash X. Okay, is it really necessary to get rid of the drawings? Wow, good facial animation on them blowing. That sounds wrong. Why is he drawing out all those lines? Pretty great graphics, aren't they? Oh look, I even decided to draw a person there. continue. Let's see what else we can do. Oh, just like rubbing marker all over the all over the thing. I can't even speak properly because I'm shaking this controller. Does this marker just magically know where to shade in? What else can we do? Okay, R1. Is that my signature? Wow.
Nicely. Should be finished by Monday.
Wow, those are really good. Okay. There we go. Should be finished by Monday. Right. I'd say it'll be finished by Sunday. Or Saturday, depending on what day it is right now. Alright, let's see what else we can do. Wait, what's in my thoughts?
Nice day outside. Maybe I could squeeze in a little garden time.
Yeah, let's go out in the garden. Let's have a nice day outside. In my huge ass garden. Alright, what's out here? What's this? Toy swords. Cool. Wow, I'm like a ninja. Imagine me with nunchucks. God, imagine Ethan with as a ninja. It would be awesome. Wait, is there anything else other than just the swords? Can I play on the playpen, please? What's this? What's this glowing thing on the ground? It's a dragonfly. Can I actually fly? Wow, it's like a boomerang, except it doesn't come back. Good. Can I go on the thing? Oh, that would be the best thing ever. Apparently I can't go on the thing. Okay, well that's a good, nice day outside in the garden. Okay, let's go back inside. Imagine if I accidentally walked into the screen door. Toys. I can play with the toys. Good. Well, that's cool. I'm playing with the remote control monster truck. That's great. Well, my work is done, so I do get to have a little fun time. But now, a nice picture of a building. How appropriate. What's this? Oh, relaxing music. I don't want to go back into my workroom. Oh, they're home.
Hey,
oh, I have two sons.
You're gonna knock me over. So this is your big day, huh?
Am I grown up now?
10 years old. That's not.
So this is Jason then?
You're getting there.
Now, can I drive your car?
And I think you're gonna have to wait a little while for that.
Ethan,
Hello, wife.
can you please help me?
Sure.
I'm coming.
Okay. Let's try this. I didn't drop the groceries.
They've been so excited since this morning. I could hardly keep them in mind in the supermarket. How's your day going? Managed to get any work done?
I made some pretty good progress.
Let's talk about
Just
work.
Work on a few more details, and then
A few more details, right. Like it's not good enough already.
I've got a few new things to do.
She's like pushing me out of the way.
Can you please help me? There should be plates in the living room cupboard.
Okay.
No problem, leave it to me.
If only there was a choice not to. Okay, this is good.
That door is always ticking. Give it a big tug.
Wow, I doubt you really need to remind me. You'd think I would know. Like, of course I wouldn't know, but you think Ethan would know.
Don't worry, I wouldn't want to be responsible for diplomatic incidents with your mother.
I love witty comments. Mentally. Apparently I'm able to do this faster, but I'm kind of scared to do so. Oh, my kids are playing. Let's spend time with them.
That's it, I'm free as a bird.
Hey, 5 minutes, boys, okay? After that, we've got to eat because your friend's going to be here. Okay, we promise, Mom.
Who wants to go first?
Me first. No, me first.
Easy, fellas. We'll both have a turn.
Jason, it's your birthday. You get to go first.
All right, Jason. Let's do the helicopter.
Whoa, whoa. Hope you're enjoying this, Jason. And that's what it's like to be drunk, Jason. Alright.
It's my turn now. It's my turn.
Oh. Okay, let's let you up. Let's go.
Okay, Sean, get ready. Here we go.
Whoa! Okay, so basically tilt the controller to steer yourself. Okay, that's one time around the playpen. That's all you do.
Big muscles.
Oh, what? Lift up my 2 kids with my arms? Wow. Mash. Okay, let's prove how strong I am. Let's prove how macho their dad is. Wow, I'm doing very well. Okay. Clap, clap, clap. Yeah, thank you. Oh, we're gonna have an epic battle with my son.
This time you're done for.
Oh god, please do an epic voice.
All your crimes, evil one.
Ah, surrender, weakling. Say your prayer.
Awesome. I think I'll let him win.
That's nothing.
Jason,
Barely
watch
a
out.
scratch.
Oh.
There goes your leg.
Attack, attack. No.
Whoa, whoa.
Yeah, that's great.
Nah.
Jason.
You will never defeat me.
Come on. Oh, that's it.
Ow. I kind of was a bit harsh there.
Oh, yeah, Jason.
Ow. No. Oh no. Whoa. Well, you're not getting me. Whoa.
Who's ready, kids? You coming in?
Oh yeah, just leave your dead dad, that's fine. Oh, I already love this game. This is a good life. Oh, why am I going up the stairs? No, I want to eat my lunch.
Lunch is ready.
I'll go get it.
Where is he? Well, the only place he could be is upstairs if she's shouting. I doubt he will be in my workroom. That's where I have all my private work, son. Don't go in there. That's where I draw my hentai. Oh, what's the problem, Sean?
Sean? What's up?
Really, that's a good one.
He said,
Aww.
it's all my fault.
No, it's not, Sean.
It's all your fault for being outside?
I
Not
did
really.
anything to come back to life.
Oh, Sean.
are some things which doesn't have to happen. Maybe I should know about it.
It's not fair, Dad. It's not fair.
I like how the child actors aren't really like overreacting. Oh, overacting, not overreacting. Let's see that scene.